And today, Phillip Thailand will have the opportunity to introduce you the new batch of SDR. I will start with 5 new SDR that include advanced, GAU, SCG, Delta, and KBANK. Now I pass on my colleague Kun Kiti to present the advanced.
Can you see me? Yes, I see. Okay, next. After Tool and DTAC merge, yes, Tool has directly benefit from expand subscriber base, becoming the biggest mobile operator in terms of subscriber. In the first 3 years after Tool and DTAC merge, there is a condition required from regulator in Thailand. Name is a KSTC or NT. To maintain is a minimum price packet. So it's hard to to uplift ARPU compared with advanced. The Tool and DTAC merge adversely affect advanced subscriber base as budget packet will pass out in short term. To meanwhile gain additional customer. Comparing the this picture, comparing the first quarter in 2023, to subscriber base was 50 million number subscriber. It came to 51.3 in third quarter 23. But advanced packet price packet are higher than 2. So it's reasons why advanced subscriber base are decline in short term. Comparing in first quarter 23, advanced has only 46 million subscriber and dropped to 44 million subscriber in third quarter 2023 because advanced using this time period for clear low price customer grade and keep higher value customer more than True. But in the fourth quarter in 2023, I see advanced can come back that add subscriber again. Advanced can add 167,000 subscriber number. So Advanced had end of fourth quarter 23 is 44.6 million subscriber. So if I talk about conclusion Advanced and key highlight, we recommend buy rating on Advanced because I had a target price in this year is 252 baht per share. Light of its year-on-year profit growth expectation for first quarter 24 and comparing valuation we expect Advanced first quarter profit to be higher than what is achieved in first quarter 23 year. And finally, I have key highlight from Advanced. First, Advanced has a fully quarter contribute from recently acquired T broadband. Second, Advanced has a ARPU boost and subscriber will come back net add additional subscriber because after Advance clear low price customer. And third, Advance had a strong prepaid growth in core business model and in core business mobile business from a licensed tourism arrival in Thailand. Thank you. Sorry, I never share my slide. This is about structure in Advance comparing before Advance has a fixed broadband merge Triple T and in the left and in the right after Advance merge with the first quarter, but it's not fully. But if fully, it will be 13% in fixed broadband. Okay, and next is a Gulf. Thank you.
Next company is Gulf. Gulf Energy Development Public Company Limited. Gulf is a holding company that invests in a portfolio of core businesses, which can divide into 3 business. The first is energy business, the second is infrastructure business, and the third is digital business. This year, Gulf, the power plant business of Gulf is expected to add more than 2,500 megawatts in capacity, supported by the COD of new projects, particularly IPP power plant with a capacity of 2,100 megawatts, alongside solar farms. Gulf are expected to remain attractive in second half of this year due to the demand of new power plant in Thailand. Considering the country's renewable energy development plan, as you see in this table, we still need more power plants with a total production capacity of more than 10,000 megawatts, especially solar power. Due to Gulf capacity and expertise, Gulf has a high potential to participate in a bid for new power plant project. This slide is an investment highlight. Number one, Gulf is the most attractive, both in the the short run and the long run. Number 2, Gulf is expected to be less affected by government policy than its peers. And number 3, power plant stocks are expected to become more interesting if there is a policy interest rate reduction in second half of this year or next year. There is all of Gulf Energy. Okay, and next slide is SCG. SCG or the Siam Cement Public Company Limited. SCG is a holding company engaging in the industrial supplies and construction industry. SCG operates three core business. The first is CBM or cement materials, and the second is chemical business, and the third is packaging business. For CBM, cement building material business offer a complete range of related products, and SCG holds the largest market share in Thailand's cement industries. For chemical business of SCG involves the production of high-value plastic resins, which is the key material used in the manufacturing of various packaging and everyday products. For the example, cosmetic bottles, milk bottle, and electrical appliance parts or car parts. And packaging business. For packaging business, SCG is the leading producer of fiber-based packaging material and packaging paper in Asia. And this slide is an investment highlight. For CBM or cement building materials business, this business is expected to benefit from the state budget in second half of the year. And for for chemical business is projected to see improved profit as China economic recovery. And the last is packaging business. Packaging business is expected to be increased for two key factors. The first is ASEAN's country demand growth, and the second is paper cost control. This is all of SCG. Okay. เปิดไมค์ตรงไหนอ่ะเปิดไมค์ยังเนี่ยมันไม่มีอ่ะเนี่ยเปิดอยู่ Delta Electronics Thailand Public Company Limited or Delta is a subsidiary of Delta Taiwan. The firm has the third largest market capitalization in the stock exchange Thailand. Delta Thailand is a manufacturer and exporter of power supplies and electronics equipment and parts. The company is one of the world's leading producers of power supply and electronic components that include DA fans, EMI filters, and solenoids. The company business are now mainly involved in power management solutions. Delta current power management product line covers various types of power supply, including power system for information technology, telecommunication, industrial application,
office automation, and medical industry, and power supply for servers, networking, and DC-DC converter. Presently, Delta extends to cover renewable energy such as solar power, electric vehicle, and hybrid electric vehicles. Delta divides its products into three main business groups, consisting of 1. Power electronic group, 2. Industrial automation, and 3. Infrastructure. The first business group is Power electronic group. This part is the major contribution over 80% of total revenue. This group has power and system category is DC power, computer and networking power, industrial power solution, and custom design power, micro mobility power. Second category is fan and thermal management. And third category is electric vehicle solutions. The second business group is industrial automation is reliable automation products. And the last business group is infrastructure group, include telecom power solution, EV charging, and network solutions. Main customer is in North America, 29%, Asia, 36%, EU, 22%. Power electronic group is contribute to 82% of total sales revenue in 2023. And total sales in 2023 grow from power electronic. Key factor drive from EV car component. Net profit growth 20% year-on-year in 2023. In 2024, Delta have new capacity increase 30 to 40% production of EV car component business. First production line in the second quarter of this year. Which key factor grow on EV business in this year? EV car is trend of clean power technology. Demand is grow faster. SIS president said global semiconductor market grow 2 digits in 2024 compared to 2023. Delta has DC power business router on cloud system to support demand expansion in AI. We forecast net profit in 2024 growth is 7.5% year-on-year. Delta is a third largest firm in the stock exchange of Thailand in terms of market capitalization, amounting to 873 million baht. It currently trades at PE ratio of 49.6 times, the largest among electronic stocks, followed by KCE 27.7 times and HANA 19.9 times. Delta report year-on-year net profit growth in first quarter of this year, driven by the expansion of its EV-related business. However, its net profit weakened Q-on-Q, attributed to a decline in gross profit margin due to inventory provisioning and a drop in raw material costs. Thank you.
Next is the last stop of the new batch of SDR is KBank or Kasikorn Bank. KBank is a commercial bank with a universal banking platform. It provides a full range of financial products and services, including banking, security, funds, insurance, and asset management. The bank now has 809 branches and 10,903 self-service channels. KBank has set up Kasikorn Business Technology Group or KBTG, which is the fintech that provides innovative financial products for customers. In addition, it has formed several joint ventures with partners to boost its business strength. It works with Alipay to develop a payment system through Line app and provide loans via Line app. KBank is a leading creditor for SMEs, having a 29% market share in the SME loan in 2023, despite having high risk SME loan offer high yields. KBank's NIM stood at 3.7% in 2023, exceeding the average net interest margin of 3.44% among 4 major banks. So far, KBank is the only bank to have the successful established a joint venture with an asset management company, aligning with the Bank of Thailand's policy. KBank and JMT, a major AMC, founded JKAMC, which start operating in third quarter 2022. By the end of 2023, KBank had transferred NPL worth 78.4 billion to JKAMC, and JKAMC aim to achieve 300 billion worth of assets under management by 2025. KBank is a well-known and attractive stock for foreign investors. In 2023, banking stocks saw NVIDIA trading worth 850 billion baht, with KBank accounting for 260 million baht, or 30.3% of the total trading. This is the summary of the rating and target price of the new batch of SDR. S1, we rating buy and target price at 252. Gulf rating buy and target price at 58. SCG rating buy and target price is 290. Delta we rating accumulate and target price at 74.5 baht. KBank we also rating buy and target price at 144. Next, we move to the old batch of SDR. We will update 3 of SDR, AOT, CPO, and PTTEP. I will start with the CPO. CPO operates the convenience store business under the 7-Eleven trademark in Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos. CPO holds 59.92% stake in Siam Macro, which conducts both wholesaling and retailing business in the country and overseas. In 2023, CPO benefit from the rebound of tourists and improved purchasing power, increasing same-store sales growth by 5.5%, and bringing the average daily sale per store to 80,000 baht, up from 77,000 baht in the previous year. The number of customers per store per day rose to 965, up from 916 in the previous year. Spending per ticket dropped slightly to 83 baht, down from 84 baht in the previous year. CBL has a strategic plan for store expanding. In 2023, they expand more the 707 branches, and it is ramping up its store expansion in province to take advantage of the growing purchasing power in the upcountry. Overseas, CBL has obtained license to operate business in Laos and Cambodia. The number of stores was increased to 82 stores in Cambodia, and the first launching store in Laos has continued to receive favorable feedback. CBL has 3 stores in Laos now. CBL has experienced a negative cash conversion cycle, reflecting effective cash management in that could support a future store expansion. CBL 7-Eleven is perhaps regarded as a small retail store, which could be eligible for the 10,000 baht digital wallet scheme. Therefore, CBL is expected to benefit from this policy. Next, we move on to AOT or Airport of Thailand. Thailand has seen a rebound in tourism, and the number of foreign tourists in 2023 reached 71% of the pre-COVID-19 level in 2019. In first quarter 2024, Thailand welcomed 9.37 million foreign tourists, representing 87% of the 2019 level, highly supported by the visa-free regime and the approval of extended stay for tourists from China, India, Kazakhstan, Taiwan, Russia, and Japan. The level in first quarter 2024 were led by Chinese tourists with 1.76 million, accounting for 19% of the total travelers to Thailand. Most of them came to Thailand individually, while the gradual rebound was seen in the tour groups. The second position was tourists from Malaysia, and the third place was Russian. The fourth position was travel from South Korea, and the fifth was India. For 2024, the Tourist Authority of Thailand anticipates 35 million foreign tourists, growing from 28.2 million in 2023, an increase of 24.1% year-on-year. This 2024 level represents 88% of the 2019 reading. In the first 3 months of 2024, the number of foreign tourists reached 27% of the project level. Although the number of Chinese tourists has not yet reached the 2019 level, the number of tourists from several countries exceed the 2019 levels, including India, Russia, South Korea, and Taiwan. The rebound in foreign tourists come in line with the monthly international flight passenger handled by AOT in 2023. The number of international flights passengers reached 69% of the pre-COVID-19 levels. From January to March 2024, the number reached 86% of the pre-COVID-19 level in the same period in 2019. Supported by the rebound foreign tourists, AOT has shown an improvement in revenue and profits. It returned to profitability in first quarter 2023 that in 2022 Looking ahead, we expected further profit growth for AOT on the back of the rising tourist number. Next, my colleague Nathanon will present the PTT.
Next company is PTTEP. PTTEP or PTT Exploration and Production Public Company Limited. PTT is Thailand's national petroleum exploration and production company dedicated to providing a sustainable petroleum supply to Thailand and the countries where it operates. PTT is PTTEP's major shareholder, holding 64% of its total outstanding shares. PTT generated net profit of 120 billion baht in the last year, and PTTEP contributed 45% of PTT total income, as you see in this picture. Much of PTTEP's revenue is derived from sales of petroleum products. Its product can be divided into two categories, gas and liquid. And gas account for around 70% of its total sale volume. Sale volume in this year estimated to be 505 kboed, driven largely by the Erawan gas project, of which production has been ramped up to 400 mmscfd to 800 mmscfd in the late March. This is a key level of PTTEP because PTTEP's profit depends on crude oil price. This year, oil prices are expected to be at a high level from the factor of supply control by OPEC Plus group and the increasing of oil demand along with the global economic expansion. This is all of PTTEP.
This is the summary of the rating and the target price of the OBAT and of SDR. CBOV rating by target price as 74. AOTV rating by and target price also the 74. PTTEP we also rating by and target price as 175. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
So thank you, Addison and your team, for sharing the various Thai SDR stocks that are listed, that are quoted on the SGX. So just to recap, currently we have a total of 8 Thai SDRs that is quoted on the SGX board, and the prices of this are listed. The prices of all these stocks are quoted in Sing dollars on the SGX. Let me share my screen now to show you how you can actually see the prices on the SGX. Just give me a moment. This is our independent SDR website. The address is https://www.singaporedr.com. And over here, you will find all the SDRs that are currently quoted on the SGX board. So, for example, in the SGX trading code for Advanced Info Service, for example, the code is TADD. So, if you go into the POEMS website, when you want to place an order, you type in this TADD, this stock will come out, and this Thai SDR will come out, Advanced Info Service, and it will be quoted in SGD, the prices. So this is one of the websites that you can come to. If you have difficulty in locating the SGX trading code, this is one where you can come and take a look, and then you go back to your POEMS website and you enter the code and you can find it over there. Let me just show you an example on the POEMS screen. As you can see, this is the POEMS website, and based on the illustration I gave earlier, the TADD, when you type in TADD, this AIS Advanced Info Service, the SDR will appear, and the last trader is at 0.72 cents, Singapore cents. Okay. The other thing I want to share is currently we are running a promo, brokerage rebate promo for SDRs. So as long as you trade any of these 8 Thai SDRs that are currently quoted on the SGX board, you will enjoy free brokerage in the form of a brokerage rebate. Okay. Are there any questions? So as you can see from the earlier presentation by the research team from Thailand, some of the stocks are trading a very good, especially for dividends, they're trading very good, right? So that is something that investors can consider. The other one is also in terms of the sector in which these companies are located in. So as for the Thai SDRs, when we offer these Thai SDRs, we try to open up to as many sectors as possible, and we pick the best companies within each sector to be represented, so as to offer investors, so as to be able to offer investors good choices when it comes to these companies. Okay. Are there any other questions, any comments? Please feel free to type in the Q&A and then we can answer them. So for the Thai SDRs, right, basically, there are the buy and sell bids are made by the market makers. And so this is something to take note of, right? The other thing that I want to share is if you are subscribed to the Phillip Morning Note, there is actually a technical commentary for all these stocks that we comment on every month, and it is in the first week of every month. So there will be a section that's dedicated to the technical commentary for all these Thai SDRs that we are covering. So, for example, on 1st of April, there was a technical commentary for all these 8 so-called Thai SDR stocks. So it is located in our Phillip Morning Note. So it appeared on 1st of April. So going into May, it'll be the same thing. There will be monthly commentaries as well. And all the research reports that are presented today, they can be found in the POEMS website under the SDR folder, the SDR module. You can see the research reports from there. Any other questions? Okay, so if there's no other questions, we will end the session. So thank you again to everyone for attending, and also a big thank you to the research team from Thailand for coming by to share their views on these companies that they cover. So thank you again, and then keep a lookout for our next seminar, which will be on the 15th of May. We have invited Delta Electronics, the head of investor relations. She will be coming by to present the profile for Delta Electronics. And so it will give investors a better insight into the workings of the company as well as the strengths of the company. So thank you, everyone. I hope to see everyone again on 15th of May during the lunchtime webinar. Thank you.